I've got this chart which is showing the pound against the dollar and really taking us all the way back to those heady days of 2016, and everybody remembers, of course, the fallout from the Brexit vote. So the pound has been making steady gains back again, hasn't it? Does that look to continue to you, or does this look to be under threat from this trade, look to be under threat from various quarters?
Well, this is probably the currency that is the most difficult to call at this point, because we're facing a very binary event. Obviously, we've had some good news and good development in terms of negotiation with regards to Brexit. But as others have said, nothing is agreed until everything is agreed. And therefore, it could go either way. Our view is that we're probably going to be at current level for the time being, as we see the other progress being made. But yeah, there's a case to be made that if it's a smooth process, then there could be more strengths, and then therefore could afford the UK equity market and then the FTSE 100. Obviously, a stronger pound tends to be detrimental for that index. So our view on that front is probably be neutral. That the UK equity market focusing on specific stock opportunities rather than investing on the broad index.
Julien, I found a lovely one. If you go to BOE Go, we've got Fed Go, BOE Go, and we've got a poll. And basically, the market was so sure. I mean, we've got sterling back at this post-Brexit level, post-Brexit high. Limited and gradual is the rhetoric from the Bank of England. We've done the poll. Now the market, 54% are absolutely convinced that you get this hike in May. But there seems less assurity as we go forward. The significant minority see more action this year, but the median forecast, no more hikes until February 2019. Do you think Carney can really roll that dice and go twice this year?
We would find that surprising, to be honest, because let's face it, the UK economy is not performing as it should be. Although Brexit has been the disaster that we may have expected at some point, it hasn't been of any help for the UK economy, and I think it's going to be tricky to slow down more this economy, which is already sort of underperforming global peers. So I think one hike is definitely on the table. Two would be a surprise for us in the market, I think.